How to fix this is awkward Discord crash error. Let's get started. First, in Discord processes. For that, click on the taskbar or search for Task Manager. Now launch it. Now head over to the option Discord, or also you can search for it. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. After Discord appears, right click on it and select In Process Tree. Then confirm again by clicking In Process Tree. Next, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type temp and hit enter. Now press Ctrl plus A to select all the files. Then press delete. If some files can't be deleted, just click skip or cancel. Next up, delete Discord local AppData. For that, open Run again. Now type in AppData. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Now from here, you'll need to find the folder Discord. Once it appears, right-click on it and select the option Delete. Lastly, delete Discord roaming AppData. Open Run again and type %AppData %. Hit enter, scroll down and delete the Discord folder found here too. Lastly, uninstall Discord and reinstall it. For that, launch Settings, click on the option Apps, head over to Installed Apps. Now search for Discord. After app appears, click on 3 dots and select the option Uninstall. Now navigate to the official website of Discord and install it. And that's it. This way you can fix your issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.